she said, "Hun, do you need a fourth hand?"
I can't wait till they're old enough to help. All right. I need you to tighten this bolt when I say so, okay? So what happened is, see how these gears are not aligned?
Yeah.
I didn't realize this has to be tightened down before you take this out, because then it, anyway. So I'm going to, there's a spring in here that's really strong, so I have to go here.
And which way? Am I turning it clockwise? This way?
Yeah. And you'll see, so when this is aligned,
How does the mechanic do this?
I made a mistake. Okay, so you'll see when the things get lined up.
Yeah. I turn?
Yep. Okay, tighten it up. All right.
Is that good?
I didn't quite get it. See how it's not quite straight?
No.
I need to get.
Maddie, shut the door, honey. Stay in there. Then put on something else.
Man, what's going on here?
Now?
All right, tighten it up.
I can't. I can't. Okay.
All right. All right, Steve. All right, thanks.
Got it? I just got it all over.
Hopefully that doesn't come back to bite me. Well, it's hard to see. I think it'll be okay.